Hello dreamers! Today we're painting simple watercolor trees and there's a bonus mushroom painting at the end. So first we're painting summer tree. Paint colors are lemon yellow, emerald green, hooker green and burnt umber. When we start with the lemon green leaves, we're just layering the greens from light to dark under the shaded areas. Don't forget to leave breathing rooms by leaving pockets of white spaces among the trees. When painting the branches should be broken and unconnected to give the illusion of layers of leaves. Now we're painting trunk. Don't forget a lot of textures and the color variations in the trunk. And now we're painting Evergreen Tree. Paint color Prussian blue and sap green. The idea is to start with a very low saturation of the two colors and layer them as we add in more saturation and more colors. Don't forget to keep your brush stroke loose to create flexible branches. And now we're just adding in sap green, more colors, and add in more blues. And the blue and sap green will create a very nice turquoise shade of green. And voila! And the third tree we're doing is a winter tree. Paint color cobalt blue, Prussian blue, and the Payne gray. And this is the only painting that I started with a pencil draft so that I do not panic when I do not know where the branches go. I like to start with a little bit of water so that the tip of the branch is a bit washed off. And now we're just gradually changing from the cobalt blue to the darker Prussian blue as the branches come near the trunk. So when we're doing the winter trees, which is mostly made up of branches and trunks, we need to keep in mind that the branches are not exactly straight through. The stem of the tree are straight and thin, while the joints area of the stem are thick and stubby. So when you use your brush, you need to differentiate the different areas of the trees by pushing in and lifting your brushes. And I also leave a lot of the areas unconnected to give it a more impressionist feel, sense of motion. Now line the darker side of the tree with the Payne gray to add contrast. And don't forget to go back and add the fine tip of the branches. And now for the bonus, we're going to paint a simple whimsical mushrooms. Starts with lemon yellow and transition into a lovely spring colored green. Now we did not start with any draft on this mushroom because the shape is rather obvious. And the most difficult part is to handle the lines underneath the mushrooms with simple and determined strokes. Now we're adding in raw sienna as we start to paint the stem of the mushroom. And notice that the lighter side of the stem is done through negative painting. Like and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Happy paintings! Bye!